So today we will see how to create a reward system for NexoPOS 4. But before creating a reward system, we need to have a coupon that will be the reward for the customer. So let's create a coupon. We'll click on plus here. Then set the name, simple coupon 10%, a coupon code, a type percentage, 10%. And I will save it. Now we can see we have our coupon ready. Let's now create the reward. First of all, I will set the name, simple reward game. Then I will select the coupon that we have just created and set the target to be 10. Now let's add some rules. We want that when the customer spends from $5 to $100, he earns 3 points. Now let's add another rule. When the customer spends from $101 to $200, he earns 5 points. Let's save it and go back to the reward list. We can see our reward. Let's now add this reward to a customer group. So I will select this first group, option, edit. Here I will have to select the simple reward game we have created and save it. We can see from the customer groups that the reward is assigned to the first group. Now from the customer list, we will search for the user who belongs to that group and that we can use for testing this reward system. I will use Jack Welch and go to the point of sale. From the point of sale, I will search for Jack Welch and select the customer. From now, I will make some sale, add some product to the cart, and make some payment. But before, I think we need to check the account for Jack Welch by clicking on this I icon and check for the coupon and reward to see that he doesn't have nothing. Now proceed payment, full payment, yes. Okay, so now I will check the account for Jack Welch by first selecting the customer, and I will select again to open his detail. Now on the coupon he doesn't have nothing, but the reward, he has the reward ongoing. Now I will make another sale, add some item and make the payment. Full payment, yes. And now I will check the account for Jack Welch again by clicking here, coupon, there is a coupon, reward, the reward is ongoing, and now we can use this coupon by clicking use coupon. Now we can still proceed and see the discount on the card. On top we can see the enable discount. This is how to add a reward system to NexoPOS 4.